Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the best lawn rocking chairs on the market, the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Camping Chair. This chair is designed for those who love to relax outdoors with comfort and style. Let's find out what makes it stand out from the rest. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker is not your average camping chair. It's crafted with a sturdy alloy steel frame and a durable mesh seat, ensuring both strength and breathability. The chair boasts an ergonomic design with solid armrests and a convenient built-in beverage holder, making it perfect for everything from camping trips to backyard barbecues. What sets this rocker apart is its spring-action rocking technology. This patented feature allows you to rock smoothly on any surface, whether it's grass, sand, or even a rocky campsite. It's like bringing the comfort of your living room rocker outdoors. Setting up the freestyle rocker is a breeze thanks to its easy fold technology. Simply unfold the chair with a quick motion and enjoy. When you're ready to pack up, it folds down effortlessly for compact storage and transportation. Plus, it weighs just 12 pounds, so you can take it anywhere without hassle. Let's talk numbers. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds, dimensions of 24.75 inches in depth, 24.5 inches in width, and 34 inches in height, this chair offers ample space and support. The mesh back enhances airflow, keeping you cool even on hot summer days. So, is the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker the best lawn rocking chair out there? With its solid build, innovative features, and glowing customer feedback, it certainly stands tall among the competition. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor lounging experience, this chair is a top contender. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy rocking outdoors!